Antipolo on a Sunday. The Department of Surgery scheduled a Tuli mission today. So let's see kung anong mangyayari today. It's a Sunday kaya Honda Rebel ang dala ko. Konti lang ang sasakyan sa daan. I got this Honda Rebel last year, second hand. It's a 2022 model, Honda Rebel 500. When I got this unit, upgraded na yung exhaust to Vance & Hines. Kaya I'm curious ano kaya magiging tunog nung video ko today with the Vance & Hines exhaust on the Rebel 500. Magaralgal siya actually. Microphone when it comes to wind noise. Gamit ko pa naman bullet na helmet. Medyo maingay itong helmet na to eh. Malalaman natin later yung wind noise pag nag-edit na tayo ng video. So, itong mission muna tayo. See you later guys. Hello again. So we're done with the Tuli mission. Uwi na muna tayo. It's a Sunday. May time pa para magsimba and family time. Take off na tayo. Let's go. So dumuan muna tayo sa Shell para magpagas. So pauwi na ako ngayon. Naisip-isip ko lang it's a well spent Sunday morning. So thank you sa organizers ng mission. I think ang punong abala is yung aming mga residents plus the help of one of our hospitalists, si Dr. Franz Lim. Among the residents, I think Dr. Carissa Buke ang mas nag-organize. Thank you. Thank you to our sponsor, our friend from the pharmaceutical industries, Landmark Philippines. They were able to give out mga wound care kit and their antibacterial ointment. The other materials came from the administration of the hospital. So thank you, admin of Fatima University Medical Center, Antipolo. Thank you sa support. So sana taon-taon may ganito tayo, and sana every year tumataas ang ating census or count ng patients. Kanina, our medical director and chairman of the Department of Surgery is with us. Thank you, sir. Dr. Ravel Bartolome, thank you. Sino pa ba? Oh, let's not forget, pasalamat din tayo sa staff ng hospital, namely yung nursing service. Big thanks sa inyo. Alam kong day off nung iba sa inyo, or yung iba na pull out sa kanilang stations para makatulong. Thank you, ha. Sana pinakain kayo ni Dr. Patakino ng maayos. Dr. Patakino is our chief resident. So to our residents pala, ha, buti na lang wala tayong na-encounter na complication during the mission itself. And we're praying na wala din problem or complication post-operation. So sana yung mga pasyente natin, uneventful ang kanilang paggaling. So siguro I can end this video na till we meet again. Thank you for watching.